So dear students, it is the last session to explain the content under basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. Anyhow, I will be explaining objective type questions and other things in the later part. But the last part is balancing the redox reactions or redox equations. And in the previous session, we have balanced using oxidation number method. Now ion electron method or off reaction method. Earlier we have seen oxidation of potassium, oxidation of ferrous sulfate using acidified potassium permanganate to give ferric sulfate, potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate and water. The same reaction can be written in the ionic form as given here. Manganate ion in the presence of acid, that is H plus, manganate ion in the presence of acid may convert ferrous ion into ferric ion. So I have given an ionic form. Permanganate ion in acidic medium oxidizes ferrous ion and ferric ion. During that process, manganese from permanganate ion becomes Mn2 plus and ferrous ion has become ferric ion, and also we get water. How to balance this equation? Using ion electron method or off reaction method. Let us choose the oxidation part and the reduction part. Here it is oxidation part. Fe2 plus from plus 2 is oxidized to plus 3. It is oxidized. Manganese as such I cannot take, because it is given in the form of permanganate ion. We should go into manganese ion, because only manganese ion might have reduced. Since it is oxidized, naturally it should be reduced. The oxidation state of manganese should be a little bit higher than plus 2. That's what we guess. Let us find out. Oxidation number of manganese is X. 4 oxygen atoms we have. Therefore, 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. For the charge on the ion is minus 1. Here manganese is in oxidation state X, we may not be knowing. 4 oxygen, 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, X minus 8 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus 7. Alright. So, oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. Manganese from plus 7 is reduced to plus 2. Iron from plus 2 is oxidized to plus 3. Now, let us take the off reaction involving only oxidation and another off reaction involving only reduction, where oxidation is involved. Fe2 plus loses an electron to become Fe3 plus. It is oxidation. Just an electron. It loses just an electron, because from plus 2 it is oxidized to plus 3. Whereas in MnO4 minus gives Mn2 plus. Manganese is reduced from plus 7 to plus 2. How? By the gain of electrons. How many electrons? 5 electrons. Plus 7 minus 5 will give plus 2. It gained 5 electrons. Equal number of electrons should be gained and lost during a redox reaction. Let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. Equal number of electrons should be gained and lost. Here 5 electrons are lost, but here only 1. The equation cannot be balanced unless we get equal number, and therefore let us multiply the first equation by 5. So 1 into 5. Equation 1 multiplied by 5. Alright. So 5 Fe2 plus gives 5 Fe3 plus 5 electrons. Let it be equation 3. Now we have multiplied equation 1 by 5. I got this. Now equal number of electrons are lost and gained. Now let me add up these two. MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe2 plus gives Mn2 plus 5 Fe3 plus. 5 electrons in the reactant side and product side get balanced. That's all. we have almost completed, but it is not balanced yet. Why? Oxygen is remaining. And in the given reaction, H plus in the reactant side is remaining. So, necessary number of hydrogen ion has to be added in the reactant side. And that many water has to be added in the product side, that's all. Here we have four oxygen atoms, and therefore we need 4 H2O. MnO4 minus plus 5Fe2 plus gives Mn2 plus 5Fe3 plus how many H2O I have to write? 4 oxygen, therefore 4 H2O. Since 8 hydrogen in the product side, I have to add 8H plus, that's all. So when we make correct number of the ions which are oxidized and reduced, rest is very simple. For 4 oxygen, I have to put 4 H2O because in the product they are given H2O, 4 H2O. Since 8 hydrogen, 8H plus, now it is balanced equation. If we check the charge, it will be balanced. All right. Sometimes they may not have given H plus or water, but they will be specifying in acidic medium. Likewise, they will be specifying. In acidic medium means we have to add H plus, that is the meaning. All right. So with that, we complete the lesson, basic concepts of chemistry and chemical calculations. And let me try to explain the objective type questions at the back and a few problems which are given in the book. All right, that we will be doing in the following sessions. Thank you.